My name's Mark Bosuego. I'm with Alaska Airlines. Been employed with them for over 20 years. Started off as an aircraft technician in the hangar and heavy maintenance. Now I'm the regional manager for California. We have a great demand for aircraft technicians right now, and it's just going to grow. Combination of factors, a lot of people retiring from the baby boomer generation. We call it the great silver wave of retirements. And right now, just in my company, we probably have about 30% of our workforce technicians that are on the verge of retirement. We're looking for somebody that has a good work ethic. We're going to teach the airplane to the new technician, but what we're looking for in a candidate is a great attitude and willingness to learn. AIM is a school that I think Alaska and other airlines are going to be, really looking to recruit talent that's prepared and ready to work. What you're getting in schooling here is the base knowledge that you're going to need to get into an industry like the airlines or heavy maintenance. Being a technician is one of the most awesome jobs in the world. Especially in the airline, you get to travel, you get to work on jet aircraft, you meet great people from other parts of the world. Stick with school, stick it out to the end, finish the program so that you can get a job, whether it's with Alaska Airlines or another airline or a different industry. If you are interested in aviation, if you're interested in aircraft and flight, this is a great way to get into aviation.